Welcome to a journey into one of the Bible's most mysterious and controversial books, the Book of Revelation. From cryptic symbols and prophetic visions to hidden meanings that have puzzled scholars for centuries, join us as we uncover secrets and surprising facts about this apocalyptic text. The Book of Revelation, the final book of the New Testament, is full of vivid imagery, symbolism, and mysticism. Here are some fascinating facts about it. 1. Authorship mystery. Traditionally, Revelation is attributed to John the Apostle, but many scholars debate whether it was written by another John of Patmos, given differences in writing style from the Gospel of John. 2. Sevenfold symbolism. Revelation is filled with the number 7. 7 churches, seals, trumpets, bowls, spirits, and stars. The number symbolizes completeness and perfection in biblical numerology. 3. Apocalyptic vision. Revelation describes surreal visions of the end times, with beasts, dragons, and 4 horsemen representing conquest, war, famine, and death. These scenes are some of the most intense and haunting in the Bible. 4. The beast's number, 666. The infamous number of the beast, 666, is mentioned in Revelation 13 verse 18. It's been interpreted as a coded reference to Roman Emperor Nero, among other theories. 5. Heavenly Jerusalem's dimensions. Revelation describes the New Jerusalem as a perfect cube, 12,000 stadia long, wide, and high. This immense size, about 1,500 miles on each side, symbolizes divine perfection and completeness. 6. Highly contested canonization. Revelation was one of the most debated books when it came to being included in the biblical canon. Some early Christian communities found its vivid, sometimes violent imagery and cryptic messages unsettling. 7. A prophetic book for many cultures. Over the centuries, many groups, including early Christians, medieval sects, and modern movements, have interpreted Revelation as predicting their present times, influencing wars, uprisings, and social reforms. 8. The 4 Horsemen's influence. The 4 horsemen of the apocalypse, conquest, war, famine, and death, have inspired countless pieces of literature, art, and even contemporary media, showcasing their lasting influence on popular culture. The Book of Revelation remains one of the most enigmatic and provocative books of the Bible, sparking curiosity, fear, and intrigue for generations. As the shadows fade and the final page turns, we're left with questions lingering in the quiet, waiting to be unearthed. If this book calls to you, heed its whisper, and let the mystery unfold in your own hands. Until next time, keep your curiosity sharp and your imagination boundless. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more interesting content.